Look who's back. It's me, crazy hair. I wanted to do no, don't touch me there. This is my no square. So I wanted to do that video because I'm very short today. And why very short? I did get my legs cut. So, yeah, and brings back memories. I'm just kidding. I can stand up perfectly fine. My legs are good. These bad fools. So anyways, do the no square. Right now! Turn on the music. Not that! This one! No, my no square. No, don't touch me there. No, my no square. No, don't touch me there. No, my no square. No, don't touch me there. No. No, my no square. No, just be there. No, touch me there.